Take a moment to check out the 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross. Ready to enjoy comfort and efficiency on every drive? Then you're ready for this smart and stylish Toyota Corolla Cross. Versatile, convenient, practical, and affordable, it comes loaded with peace of mind. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, alarm, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather steering wheel. Creature comforts blend with smart practicality in this no-nonsense Corolla Cross. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.